Hey guys, hello and welcome to Tech Editor. I hope you are all well. Happy Dasara to all of you. By the way, today I'm going to unbox a best cover for Poco M2 Pro, or you can say Redmi Note 9 Pro or Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Both are the same kind of device, just rebranding. By the way, so it cost me around 191 rupees. As you can see, it is 191 and Flipkart Smart Buy back cover. Okay, so let me unbox it quickly, and I can see the packaging is really good here. Yes, nice, the packaging is really very good. Okay, I ordered in the black color. और भी दो कलर अवेलेबल है जो कि है एक रेड और एक है ग्रीन ब्लू. So I like the black color most because it looks classy rather in comparison to the more colors. Okay, as you can see, it's a 360-degree full protection case, which means it can protect your camera lenses, it can protect your back glass, and it can also protect your front glass as well. Okay, so let me unbox it quickly. Okay, the cases looks really nice here. I didn't think that it will be really nice. Okay, it is pure matte back. As you can see, there's a branding as Redmi Note 9 Pro, but you can apply it on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Poco M2 Pro as well. As you can see, the ports are available. Yes, the back case is a hard back case, not a soft back case, not a rubberized. So look forward to the video. I can show you how you can apply the back case to your mobile. Okay, open the underneath section as well as the upper section. Only then you can attach your mobile, otherwise you can't. Okay, the back cover is really hard, as you noticed. Yes, it is hard. Let me show you the 2 रुपए वाला बैक कवर which comes with the box. पीला हो गया, अगर आप देख सकते हो तो देख लो, कैमरा में दिखाई नहीं दे रहा ठीक से. एंड हियर इज आवर पोको M2 Pro डिवाइस. एक साइड आपको रखना है फोन के कवर के बीच में, और कैमरा मॉड्यूल जहाँ पे है उस तरीके से आपको ये एडजस्ट करना होगा, और धीरे से करें क्योंकि ये कोई रबराइज्ड नहीं है. ओके, लेट मी एडजस्ट इट. यस, एज यू कैन सी, इट इज प्योरली एडजस्टेड, एंड देन टुक द अपर सेक्शन and put it in between the back cover and the mobile. As you can see, in between, and press it. On pressing, you can hear a tactile sound, which means it already fitted. Yes, it looks classy, you know. Really, I like it. And the underneath section will be the same. Just press it. Yes, that's done. Yes, it looks really matte finish and something slippery. Yes, but I bought it because, for my opinion, camera module is really important nowadays because it has got a really huge bump. The cutouts are really awesome, and it can protect, as you can see, it can protect your screen. That is the best back cover available in the market for Poco M2 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I bought it from Flipkart at 191 rupees only, so you can check it out from Flipkart. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to click on the like button, and please share my video with your friends or who have a phone like this. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.